Nathaniel, where's your belly? Where is it? Where's your belly? There it is. Bennett, where's your belly? There it is. That's pretty cute. Nathaniel, where's your nose? Nathaniel, where's your nose?
Here it is. Here's his nose.
Where's your nose, Nathaniel? That's brother's nose. Where's Nathaniel's nose? Oh, your belly. That's your belly button.
And this is your nose. And that's my nose.
You guys have mutual nose touching. That's awfully cute. Do it again, Nathaniel. Touch brother's nose. Where's Bennett's nose? That's pretty cute.